Good morning, students. Next is risk management. Now, till now we have seen we have to do the feasibility study, how we have to find out the estimation of staff and all with the help of Kokomo and all. Next is risk management. So, tomorrow's problems are today's risk. Hence, a clear definition of a risk is a problem that could cause some loss or threaten the progress of the project but which has not happened yet. So something which can happen in future, that is a risk. These potential issues might harm cost, schedule or technical success of the project and quality of a software device or project team morale. So, a software project can be concerned with a large variety of risks. In order to be adapt to identify the significant risk which might affect a software project, it is essential to classify them into different classes. So, project manager can then check which risk from each class are relevant to the project. So the main three classification of the risk are project risk, technical risk and the business risk. So the project risk concern different form of budgetary, schedule, personal, resource and customer related problems. A vital project risk is schedule slippage. Since the software is intangible, it is very tough to monitor and control a software project. It is very tough to control something which cannot be identified. For any manufacturing program, such as manufacturing of cars, the plant executive can recognize the product taking shape. Technical risk. The technical risk concern potential method, implementation, interfacing, testing, and maintenance issues. It also consists of an ambiguous specification, incomplete specification, changing specification, technical uncertainty, technical obsolescence. Most technical risks appear due to the developer team insufficient knowledge and about the project. So technical risk is related to the technical team. If we are not having the complete information, क्या हमें काम करना है, कैसे हमें काम करना है, if we don't know that, if we are not having proper software, then it might cause a problem. So next is business risk. This type of risk contains risk of building an excellent product that no one needs, comma, losing budgetary or personal commitments. Principles of risk management. Global perspective. In this view, we review the bigger system descriptions, design, and implementation. We look at the chance and the impact the risk is going to have. Taking a forward looking view, consider the threat we may appear in the future and create future plans for directing the next. So forward looking view, जो हमने सोचा might भी आ सकता है, हम उसके बारे में काम करें. Open communication. This is to allow the free flow of communication between the clients and the team member so that they have certainty about the risk. Integrated management. In this, risk management is made an integral part of the project. So risk is considered while we are making a project. It is a continuous process. In this phase, the risks are tracked continuously throughout the risk management paradigm. So risk management is of activities are two: risk assessment, risk control. Risk assessment include risk identification, risk analysis, risk prioritization, risk management planning, risk monitoring, and risk resolution. So we'll be discussing about the risk assessment. So the objective of the risk assessment is to division the risk into the condition of their loss causing potential. For risk assessment, first, every risk should be rated in two methods. The possibility of risk coming true, denoted by R, the consequences of the issues related to that risk denoted by S. Based on the two methods, the priority of each risk can be estimated. Next is risk identification. So the risk identification is to anticipate the risk in the project as early as possible so that the impact of the risk can be reduced. A project can be of use by a large variety of risks. To identify the significant risk this might affect a project, it is necessary to categorize the risk of classes. So these are the various categories. First is the technology risk. Risk that assume from the software or hardware technology that are used to develop the system. People risk. Risk that are connected with a person in the development team. Organizational risk. Risk that assume from the organizational environment. Tool risk. Risk that assume the software tools and the other support software used to create. Requirement risk. Risk that assume from the changes to the customer's requirement and the process of managing of the requirement changing. Estimation risk that assume from the management estimates of the resource required to build the system. Risk analysis. During the risk analysis process, you have to consider every identified risk which we discussed in the previous and make a perception of the probability and the seriousness. So the probability to determine can be very low, moderate, high and very high. Risk control. It is a process of managing the risk. After all the identified risks of a plan are determined, the project must be made to include the most harmful and the most likely risk. Different risks need different containment methods. The three main methods of risk management are we avoid the risk, we transfer the risk, and we are reducing the risk. Risk leverage. To choose between the various methods of handling the risk, the project plan must consider the amount of controlling the risk and the corresponding reduction of risk. For this, the risk leverage of the various risks are identified, which is equals to risk exposure before reduction minus risk exposure after reduction and total divided by total cost. It includes risk planning, risk monitoring. So the risk planning method consider each of the key risks have been identified and we are monitoring it on the daily basis. Thank you.